Guys, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. So I got a text message from my office, the receptionist saying that there was a package there for me. And I was like, I didn't order anything. I wasn't expecting anything. So when I came, it was a box from Meta. And I'm like, whoa, what are they sending me? I surely spent enough money with them. So let's see what they're sending. Okay. See. Ah, okay, so first it says this side out a special living gift. Thank you for partnering with Meta to grow your business. And it is this. So it kind of looks fake. It feels like plastic, but it says it's a living gift. That's pretty cool, right? That's pretty cool. It says, we love seeing your business flourish. Meta Marketing Pros are here to help nurture your success along the way. Thank you very much, Meta.